Hey there everybody, this just arrived in the mail. Let's get it open, see what it is. Alright, you get some information about B.W. Baker and Svord knives. And this is also your warranty paper. You got to fill this out and send it back to Svord. I think you have 15 days from the day you get your knife. And they register it, and then you have a lifetime limited warranty on it. It's a good warranty, you just can't be out abusing the knife too much. I got this one in the light green. Has the brass screws on it. Made in New Zealand. This is the mini peasant knife, so it would be easier to carry in my pocket. And you can tighten these screws down or loosen them up so you have the tension on the blade that you want. So that's pretty cool. So let's get this open and see what we got. It is. It says Svord. They left the black on from the forging process. And what's cool is this just pushes down in like that. And then when you grip it or have your thumb there, that's what stops it from closing. So if you're carving or whatever, whittling or whatever you might be doing with it. It's got some oil on the blade because it is high carbon L6 Swedish Tool Steel. It's very thin, about, oh, I don't know, maybe about 1/8 of an inch thick. It's got a convex blade on it. And this is just a little pocket knife. Something to carry, but a lot of people are into pocket knives, so I figured I would pick one up. And this is how you carry it. You could put a lanyard through it probably and wear it like a neck knife. It doesn't hardly weigh anything. They say you can one hand open it. I don't know, mine's might be a bit stiff for that. Oh, there, I can do it. Yep. That's pretty neat. I don't know why I got the green. I just have a thing for green, I guess. Okay, let's do a paper cut test. This is it right out of the box. Got a sheet of printer paper here. Yeah, pretty sharp for a little pocket knife. It's decent. It's not super duper sharp. Probably needs to be stropped a little bit. It's got a very thin blade. Okay, you're looking at about a 3-inch blade and 7 inches overall when it's open. And closed, you're looking at about 5.5 inches. Okay, this is it beside the Svord Von Timsky Ranger. And this is it beside the Svord Von Timsky Bowie knife. Got some oil on that blade. Got my tentacle wrap on there. But you can see there's a heck of a difference there. Well, there's not a whole lot to say about it. It's just a L6 Swedish Tool Steel, about 1/8 of an inch thick. You can adjust the friction on it, and it's high carbon steel, high carbon tool steel, and this is the mini. They actually have one they're just like this, but they're just a little bit bigger, not much. I got this one because it would just be easier to carry in my pocket, like at work or whatever. But made in New Zealand. The Svord Peasant Knife. And you can pick these up all over the place. Amazon, eBay, all kinds of knife shops have them. Anywhere between $15 to $30. I paid $15 is all for this. But I hope you enjoyed this video. This is Joe Doomsday signing out.